Okay, guys, and then let Sorafina tell you guys now. Um, After I threw my bath water in the bathroom, then I bring it to my room. This is my room. I must still fix it for me because it was a storage room. I'm gonna still fix it. Don't worry. I'll show you guys the end result when I'm done. And then there's my bath water. And there's my towel, my toothpaste, everything. You see, you must thank God for that little bit of things you have, because there's people out there that are sleeping on the street, my friend. So you must be grateful for what you have. And then I also wanted to say that I'm fighting and I'm gonna win this.